Hello, Leo. Welcome to my channel. This is your next 48. I already prayed and shuffled over the cards. So let's get started. You have 5 of Wands. There's going to be conflict with others, drama, right? You may have inner conflict when it comes to a breakup, but there's going to be some type of breakup where you guys are not on the same page about something. Someone is letting go of something here. They could be opening up about something, and they may say something that's going to hurt your feelings. All right? But you guys are not moving forward here. Yeah, you're feeling stuck. You want to move forward, but you're definitely feeling stuck. The World card, you may feel like you have to take care of someone financially. The Hierophant in reverse. 8 of Cups in reverse. Person you're dealing with. 6 of Cups in reverse. Page of Cups in reverse. How you're handling the situation. 6 of Wands in reverse. High Priestess. The Sun. On Friday we have Ace of Wands. New beginning. The Moon. 7 of Cups. 4 of Wands in reverse. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. All right, we have the World card. This could be a cycle ending so a new one can begin. This could be closure. This could be some type of milestone that you hit in your life here. This could be traveling. But someone is stubborn, or they're not going with the status quo here. All right? Some of you could have gotten married and now you want to break up, or you want a divorce for some of you. Some of you, you may be changing residence, but there's some type of breach of contract. You have to change residence, a broken contract for some of you. The person you're dealing with, they don't know whether they should stay or go, or they're unable to walk away from a situation. They have some type of bad memories, or they have disciplinary issues with their children. Whoa. This person may hold some type of resentment. It could be coming back around with some type of holding some type of resentment towards you, or yeah, this person is not happy about something here. How you're handling this situation, Page of Cups in reverse. I feel like you're keeping silent. You're withdrawing from the situation emotionally. You're not giving it any attention here. I feel like you're cutting out the situation. You may be feeling trapped in this situation. Yeah, you're feeling trapped in this situation. You don't know if you want to be single or, you know, come together with someone. But I feel like you're going to be walking away or setting some type of boundaries here. You guys are going to be listening to your intuition, and you're going to make a decision here. I feel like you're not going to give something your attention. You may feel like someone's trying to take credit for your work, or you're not feeling appreciated here. So on Friday, there's a new beginning here. Something that you guys want to do, but you're afraid. You may feel like you're not certain about it here. So, you know, there's a lot of confusion and delusion. You may feel like it's too good to be true. So there's going to be some type of breakdown in communications, or some type of discord. There's going to be some type of breakup so things can get better. So your finances can get better. There's going to be some type of situation. Someone may get thrown out of the home situation. They want to come back and make things better here. For some of you, someone could have secretly had options. All right, what's the Ace of Wands? Yeah, there's some type of news that's coming in. Someone wants to build with you.
What are you taking this semester? Sociology, archaeology, psychology, physiology. Wait, really? Also,
yeah, someone wants to come in and build with you. There's some type of news about some type of financial opportunity or a new beginning here. But I feel like you're unsure about it.
I'm talking about Red Bull. It keeps you winning. Windows 10 gives you more ways to work your way. Work, school,
Let's see. We have the bridge.
connect. Whatever you've got
Number 31.
to help you stay productive and even get a little creative. And with Microsoft 365, you get premium Office apps, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, and more, giving you what you need to do.
Life is not about winning or losing. It's about how we play the game. Keep moving forward without allowing past traumas to get in your way. In relationships, it's best to compromise and agree to differ while respecting each other's opinions. This will help you build bridges and close the gaps that separate you from all that your life can be. It's natural to feel apprehensive crossing or building bridges. Let love, faith, and hope guide your way. Yeah, because I feel like you guys hold some type of resentment, or this person do, about something that happened in the past. All right, Leo, that's all I can see. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And to the ones who already have, thank you guys. Love you. Toodles.